Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to run the macro from your keyboard and how to delete it and how to display all the macros, okay? Before I show you how to do this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the upcoming videos. Now let me show you how to do this, okay? From the developer tab, okay, to display all the macros, okay, select macros. Now macro dialog box will be displayed as we see, okay. This dialog box contains all the macros in your workbook, okay, as we see. To run a specific macro, you can select it, okay, and press run, okay. Now the macro is running, okay. And to run a macro, press a shortcut key from your keyboard, okay. You can specify a shortcut key for it by select the macro, okay, and select the options button, okay. Then under shortcut key, specify the shortcut key that you want. When you press it from your keyboard, the macro will be running, okay. I want when I press Ctrl Shift B, the macro will be running, so I press Shift plus B, okay. And if you want to specify a description for your macro, so under description, specify the description for your macro. Okay, and press OK. Now, when you select the macro name, the description will be displayed as we see. Okay, now if I press Ctrl Shift B, the macro will be running as we see, okay. And if you want to delete your macro from the developer tab, okay, select macros command and select the macro that you want to delete and press delete, okay, and press yes to confirm your command. Okay, that's it. If you like the content, please like the video. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.